Hello, Tk20 mentors and supervisors. Today I'm going to show you how to make sure forms have been successfully completed in the Tk20 field binder and what the difference is between save, complete, and submit. So when I open up a student's field binder, I'm going to see their work on the left, and I will see all of my required forms here on the right. Any form with a red flag means it's pending and I haven't completed it yet. It also means I haven't done any work in it at all. If I scroll down and find an item with no flag, it means I've viewed the form. I may have worked a little bit in it, but I haven't successfully completed it. And if I see a form with a lock, it means I've successfully completed it and I can no longer edit this form. So if I select a form that needs to be completed, I'm going to see questions with an asterisk, which have to be completed. These are required. If questions with an asterisk are not completed, even one in one form, you will not be able to submit a student's binder. You also won't be able to go down to the bottom and select complete. So I have a save button, which allows me to go back and edit my work, and I have a complete button, which locks the binder form from any further editing. I also have a grade field at the bottom of every form. This does not need to be completed. It is just a default that we can't remove. So disregard the grade field at the bottom and complete the form. Once that form is locked, I cannot go back in and edit the form. Once all of my red flags have disappeared and all of my gray locks here have appeared, then I can go up to the top of the binder and I can select Submit. Now you'll notice if I try to submit without all of the forms successfully completed and gray locks next to all of them, I will get this message from Tk20. So every form in the field binder must have a gray lock in order for the binder to be submitted at the end of the field experience. If it doesn't submit successfully, go back in and look for those forms that don't have the gray locks and review them to make sure you didn't miss a required question with an asterisk. If you have any questions about completing a field binder and the difference between complete, save, and submit, please let me know, or you can email tk20support@uc.edu.